When it's time to change a consumable, you need to select the Materials button at the top of the screen here. Anytime you touch the screen, it's very important to make sure that you don't touch the screen with a gloved hand. The glove that you are wearing could have chemicals on it, and that could damage the screen over time. When you're inside the Materials window, there are 4 panels of information that are relevant to the cartridges that are inside the drawer. The first 2 panels of information are directly related to the support cartridges, and the other 2 panels of information are directly related to the parts cartridge or the build cartridges. Once we've put a cartridge in, we can change between the cartridges by selecting that on the screen here. Each panel here shows you a percentage of how much consumable is inside the bottle, and it shows you the material that's in the bottle as well. When changing a consumable, it's very important that you have 2 gloved hands and that you use nitrile gloves. To get inside the drawer, just press on the drawer at the front here and the drawer will pop out back towards you. There are 4 bottles of consumables in here, and there's a waste area at the back there as well. When it comes time to changing the cartridge, you need to press on the release at the front of the tray. On the left-hand side here are the 2 support bottles, and on the right-hand side here are the 2 build bottles. I've just popped out one of the support bottles. Before I pull that cartridge out, I need to turn the lid to the right to seal the bottle, and then I can lift that straight out. If you're disposing of this bottle, it's very important that you dispose it in a chemical waste bin. We have a chemical waste bin here, and you should have one in your environment within the area where the 3D printer is. When putting the new bottle in of the support material actually is a wax. So you need to make sure that once you put the bottle in, you don't push it to the bottom. Just sit it in that pocket there and give it about 10 minutes. There's a heater around the bottle and it's going to melt the wax. After about 10 minutes, turn the dial or the lid to the left-hand side. Not all the way, just a little bit just to release it, and then push that bottle straight in. With the build material, it works in the same way to take the bottle out. So press the release at the front of the tray and lift or close the bottle. So turn the lid to the right-hand side and then lift the bottle straight out. Again, that can go into the chemical waste bin. When you're putting the new one in, pop the bottle in. Inside the build cartridges, the component is a liquid, so it doesn't need time for anything to melt inside the bottle. You just need to turn the lid to the left to release it slightly and then push that straight back in. And then you can close it up. As mentioned before, if you want to change between the build components or the build cartridges inside the engine, you just need to select which one you want to change to, and then it will change over to that one.